Bonjour tout le monde. In this lesson we are going to see how to use negation with the verb to have. The verb to have in French is avoir, and don't hesitate to like and subscribe if you're learning French and like what I'm doing, of course. Let's get back to the moment. How to use the verb avoir, to have, with a negation. If someone possesses something, in English you would say, I don't know, this man has a book, or he has books. In French it will be il a des livres. Il a des livres, he has books. But if this man doesn't have books, you would say he doesn't have books. But in French, how would you say it? Il n'a pas de livres. This is the point I wanted to explain here. If you use an indefinite article, the indefinite articles in French are un, une, and des. You can use them as much as you want, but if you use the negative form, un, une, and des become de at the negative form. And not only with the verb to have, it can be with other verbs. For example, je veux un chat, I want a cat. Je ne veux pas de chat, I don't want to have a cat. So, j'ai une voiture, I have a car. Je n'ai pas de voiture. That's it for today's lesson. If you liked it, subscribe and like and share, and see you next time. Au revoir.